Hi folks, Rod Binbrook here from Johnson RV. We're in Sandy, Oregon. It's a beautiful day, and I want to take a few minutes to talk about this new arrival from Roadtrek. If you've been following the Class B vans, you know that Roadtrek's been building fine motorhomes now since the mid-70s, and they do a great job to this day. They're made in Canada. This is the new Roadtrek Chase. It's a 2024 model. I love the looks of it. It's white, but it has just a touch of silver all the way around. There's a lot to say about the Roadtrek. Among other things, this is on the ProMaster chassis. It's front-wheel drive, gas-powered. You're seeing 15, maybe to 15, 17, 18 miles per gallon, depending on how you drive, of course. But it's a great chassis. It has solar, it has lithium, it has an under-the-hood generator, so it's very quiet. If you like going to those remote areas, but you hate turning on that noisy generator, you don't have to worry about it with this coach. You can run basically everything on your batteries. Exceptional layout, well put together. One of the things that Roadtrek does, I want to point out to you, these Ram ProMasters have a pretty good sized step into the coach. And what Roadtrek does is they give you a power step at each of the main entrances, not at the rear, but the two front, driver and passenger, and the main side entrance. This is a big deal, I think, and makes it much easier for folks who have a little bit of mobility issues, and I understand that. But that's nice for getting into your coach. Go ahead, come on up. I have behind the camera Nolan here today. Nolan's helping me with the videos, and he's going to step inside. I just want to point out this beautiful new interior Roadtrek has done. I would call it kind of a white oak. Has a nice natural grain to it, but very pretty, kind of a country color. Nice solid surface counters, induction stove top, and then you've got a twin bed layout in the back, which allows you can create a very large bed if you like, or have the separate twins, and you can lounge in there. You can recline in them a little bit if you like to sit up in bed and read. And then you've got side windows, so when you're in the back, it's a very open feeling in this coach. I like that. Some of the Bs can be a little close in. Now I'm 6.5, almost 6.5 feet tall, so it's a little short for me, but most everybody does just fine here. Great refrigerator, separate freezer, nice pantry storage here, and then next to that you've got your bathroom. So this is a fully complete Class B motorhome. It's only about 21 feet long, so you can go anywhere, park anywhere. We've got a lot more to tell you about it, so give us a call at 503-668-5400. You can ask for myself, Rod, or Nolan. Either one of us would love to help you talk about this coach.